Well, this is something you don't usually see on this channel. So, this is to put all the rumors to rest that the reports of my death have been greatly exaggerated. I say that humorously. I forget who originally said that, but truth be told, I've just been a little quiet. I know it's been about a month since I've published a video, probably more than that. And I figured instead of just jumping back in like nothing has happened, I take a few minutes and just kind of explain what's going on. And actually, before I get into that, I just kind of want to mention that a few of you have actually reached out to check on me. And I'll be honest, that wasn't something I expected. And it really meant a lot. I'm honored that you'd even think enough of me to do that. A lot of you know I started this channel just messing around with my Jeep, sharing stuff with friends, family, and somehow that turned into this, the machining, the shop, the projects, and honestly, really the people. I've met some really good friends through this, both, locally, viewers and other creators. And that's probably been the best part of the whole thing. I really never expected any of that. And the channel itself, I just passed 1 million total views, which it just sounds kind of crazy just for me to even say it out loud. I'm not doing this for the money. You guys know that. I share what YouTube brings in. But whether it comes in or not, or it's other support like, tools that get sent to me, stuff that viewers have sent to me, it all helps make it possible for me to do some of the projects that I do in here. And I appreciate it, I know, a lot more than I probably say. But over the last month or so, I've been struggling a bit. Nothing major, just some minor health stuff, both for me and in my family, but enough to kind of throw things off a bit. And at the same time, I started feeling like I had to get a video out every week. Like if I didn't, the channel would take a hit, the algorithm would punish it, all that stuff. And, that was true. The algorithm did punish it a little bit. But honestly, it started to feel a little bit more like a job than a hobby. And I didn't like that. I've already got a job. I didn't need another one. So I decided to step back just a little bit. I've still been out here in the shop, still working on things, still recording some of it, but nothing that's really ready to put out yet. And I've got way too many projects started and not finished, which doesn't exactly help. But I needed to reset a little bit and get back to why I started doing this in the first place, which is just to enjoy it. And that's where things are at now. The plan is to get back to putting videos out more regularly, hopefully starting next week. And not because I feel like I have to, but because I actually want to. So if you stuck around, I appreciate it. And there is more coming. Just maybe a little bit more on my terms. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.